കൽക്കാജി മണ്ഡലത്തിൽ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി അതിഷിയെ നേരിടുന്നത് മഹിളാ കോൺഗ്രസ് ദേശീയ അധ്യക്ഷ അൽക്കാലാംബയാണ്. അൽക്കാലാംബ നമുക്കൊപ്പമുണ്ട്. പ്രതീക്ഷകൾ ചോദിക്കാം. Recorded fight in Kalkaji. How much confident you are?
I'm 100% confident about the victory of Congress in Delhi, and Alka is going to become Kalkaji's MLA. I'm 100% confident because I'm fighting this election on the basis of the issues which really concern, with the people. Like they are not getting clean water, drinking water, which is the basic need of the people of Kalkaji and Delhi. They are not getting a clean air to breathe because it's really polluted. Surveys are saying Delhi is the most polluted city or the capital in the world. This became again a crime capital, we are calling it. And Arvind Kejriwal, liquor scam, they dragged Delhi into, bad shape and position that this time people really want a change. They are not seeing any development in the last 10 years in the rule of BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. Now people are remembering Sheila Dikshit's tenure of 15 years. She made Delhi, she brought metro, flyovers and green Delhi concept, and many. She converted the polluted diesel buses into a CNG buses and changed people's life. But now they are saying they are living in a very worst condition, and they want a change, and the change is coming with the Congress.
But in last two elections, Congress failed to secure a single seat. Do you think this election will change prospects of Congress?
Yeah, when Rahulji started the Bharat Jodo Yatra, Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, before that, people were not thinking that Congress will do a comeback, and BJP was giving a slogan of Ab ki baar 400, 400 they will cross. But that's the reality. They didn't get even a full majority. They are dependent on the other party to run this central government, and Congress got 100 seats in the Lok Sabha, and leader opposition is Mr. Rahul Gandhi from Congress. So same like people were not like Kejriwal having not even a single vote, no supporter, no voter, and no MLA, no MP in 2013. Now he is in the power. Definitely Congress will also do a comeback, and we will start from zero and will reach where the Kejriwal is today, and he's coming down. He's drastically losing the New Delhi. Manish Sisodia is losing, and Atishi Marlina. We are taking the 3 wicket of the Aam Aadmi Party of top 3 leaders, because that was the Congress hold seats. All 3 seats were with the Congress for many years. Now people changed it, and they feel that Kejriwal didn't do justice with them. So now they are coming back to the Congress.
You were an MLA from Chandni Chowk.
Yeah.
Why did you change constituency?
No, I didn't change it. I was MLA. I did a development work which seen by everyone when the development model of the Chandni Chowk they showcases in the Rajpath during this 26th January Republic Day parade. So I didn't change, but my party want me to contest from Kalkaji. My first election was from Moti Nagar. Second was Chandni Chowk, third from Kalkaji, because I brought up in Delhi, and I know each and every problem and the solution of the Delhi. So my party want me to contest from Kalkaji, so I'm contesting successfully from the Kalkaji seats.
You have been a critic of Adishi. How do you view her as an opponent?
See, I have no personal, any enmity or anything against Biduri or Atishi Marlina. I'm fighting on the basis of this developmental issue. Atishi Marlina is a failed public representative. She was she's MLA, she became a minister, she became chief minister, but Arvind Kejriwal told she's a temporary because he knows that she didn't do well in her constituency. There were a municipal corporation election. All the 3 municipality corporation seats went to BJP. That's a CM's constituency. Why Aam Aadmi Party didn't win the 3 municipal corporation seat? Okay, we were weak. Our organization, Congress, was weak. But Atishi Marlina, you are strong. You are strong. You, as your leader is saying. But we are saying we lost it. So people are losing interest and trust on Aam Aadmi Party. Atishi is losing this seat very badly. Thank you.
BJP candidate Ramesh Biduri made some statement
Yes.
against Adishi and Priyanka Gandhi. What's your take on it?
No, people were really angry after hearing that statement from Ramesh Biduri. He insulted the women, and people in Kalkaji didn't accept this insult of women. They came out, they raised up their voice, and that's how the BJP came into pressure and forced Biduri to ask for apologies, and he did. That was our victory. That's the fight we are fighting for.
Yamuna is also a whole issue in Delhi, and Kejriwal made some allegations against Haryana government. What's your take?
No, this is a really sad statement. Kejriwal is not doing a right politics. He's dividing the people. He's dividing the states. Nobody is putting the poison in the Yamuna. It's you, Kejriwal. In the last 10 years, you and BJP both have to work together to clean the Yamuna, and you both were failed. You both have failed to clean the Yamuna and give the people a clean water for drinking. Now you are putting the blame like this, and this is a very serious allegation. I must, like us, Delhi police immediately called Arvind Kejriwal, check about his like allegations. He said, I told my Delhi Jal Board officials, they stopped the water, and that's how I saved the people of Delhi. Otherwise, in the morning we will see people were, all will be died and all that. So that's a serious allegation. Delhi police should immediately call Arvind Kejriwal and ask the reality of his allegation. If this is only an election tactic, then this is a very sad and bad way to go. Thank you.
ഡൽഹിയിൽ കോൺഗ്രസ് അത്ഭുതം കാട്ടും. ഒപ്പം തന്നെ അരവിന്ദ് കെജ്രിവാളും മനീഷ് സിസോദിയും അതിഷിയും പരാജയപ്പെടുമെന്ന പ്രതീക്ഷയാണ് മഹിളാ കോൺഗ്രസ് ദേശീയ അധ്യക്ഷ കൂടിയായ അൽക്കാലാമ്പ പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുന്നത്. കെ പി ധനേഷിനൊപ്പം കൽക്കാജിയിൽ നിന്ന് ഇ ആർ രാഗേഷ്, ന്യൂസ് 18.